In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete InVideo AI account. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what confirmations to expect, and how to complete the process confidently. First, open your browser and go to the official InVideo AI website. Sign in to the account you want to remove. Take a quick moment to make sure you're logged into the correct profile, especially if you manage more than one account on the same device. This helps avoid deleting the wrong one by mistake. Once you're signed in, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile icon. It may appear as your photo, your initials, or a generic avatar. Click that icon to open the account menu. In the menu that appears, choose Settings, sometimes labeled Account Settings. Both options lead to the same area where you manage your profile and privacy controls. Inside Settings, scroll through the sections and look for the option labeled Delete Account or Close Account. The wording can vary slightly, and it may be grouped under a tab like Security or Privacy. If you don't see it immediately, move slowly through the page and check for a link or button with that wording at the bottom of the settings page. When you find Delete Account or Close Account, click it. You'll typically see an explanation of what deletion means, such as losing access to your projects, preferences, and saved content. Take a moment to read that message so you understand the impact and whether the action is permanent. Next, you'll be asked to confirm your password. This is a standard security step to make sure the person initiating the deletion is the account owner. Carefully enter your password when prompted, then proceed. After that, you'll see a final confirmation screen. This is your last chance to back out if you click the option by accident. If you're certain, confirm the deletion. Once you confirm, you should see a notice that your account is scheduled for deletion. This typically means the platform has queued your account for removal, and the process may not be instantaneous. Keep an eye on any on-screen messages so you know what to expect next. That's it. You've navigated to your profile settings, selected the delete option, verified your identity, and confirmed the removal. Your InVideo AI account is now scheduled for deletion, and you're done.